postcode is LL237LG, and we are about 7/10 of a mile off the A494, and we are 1,000 feet above sea level, which makes us quite unique. We think we're the highest garden in, well, we know we're the highest garden in North Wales. It's open to the public, and we've been there for the past 17, 18 years. It was derelict house and just fields when we arrived there, and we've done everything from scratch, haven't we?
We were building gardens for other people, and every time we did a bit for somebody else, we thought, I'd like some of that too. And it just grew and grew, and we've ended up with 3-4 acres of different gardens. And then, to our surprise, people were interested to come round, and we ended up opening full-time and doing less for other people, which was brilliant.
And it's fun, it's good for all ages. We've got, there's a good picture on the website of you on a sunken trampoline, and there's, Toby's built a fort up in the woodland with a drawbridge, and then there's a zip wire, isn't there? And we tend to add things sort of every year. It's great fun, and we sort of bat ideas off each other, and
it's a great place for families, isn't it? Parents can come and trust that their children will be safe enough running around and inventing their own old-fashioned sort of play with the sort of adventure playground and all the sorts of ropes and things which are frightfully unhealth and safety these days. But there are very few places that you can do that, and parents can sit, hopefully on a nice day outside, with stunning views and little care for what the rest of them are up to. Obviously a garden in this climate is a seasonal business, and we decided that we wanted to bring our food down here when we heard that this place was available.
Toby, he's been cooking up at our place for the last 3 years, and has got a very good reputation for his food. He does the savoury cooking, and I do the puddings and cakes. I think they're the most important, but actually his food's not bad. But no, he has got a very good reputation for his food, and coming down here has been brilliant because the locals, we've got to know more of the locals, haven't we?
We're just right on the shores of Lake Bala, and we've got to the mountains ahead of us. Ever-changing scenery, stunning location.
It's absolutely beautiful.
More tables out here so that people can make use of it.